Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize shipping confirmation and delivery update emails. These emails are important because customers want to know what is happening after they place an order. They want to know when the order has shipped, where it is, and when it may arrive. So in this guide, I will show you how to make those emails clear, simple, and better for your store. Step 1. Go to your Shopify admin. First, open your Shopify account and go to your Shopify admin page. This is where you control your store. You can manage your products, orders, customers, and store settings from here. Once you're inside, look at the menu on the left side. You want to go to the settings area because that is where Shopify keeps your store email settings. Next, click on Settings, then look for Notifications. This section is where Shopify keeps the emails that are sent to customers. These can include order confirmation emails, shipping emails, delivery update emails, and other customer messages. Take your time here and look through the list. You're looking for the shipping confirmation email and the delivery update email. Now, click on the shipping confirmation email. This is the message your customer gets when their order has been shipped. It usually tells them that the package is on the way and may include a tracking link. When you open it, look at the message and think about what your customer needs to know. The goal is to make the email easy to read and helpful. Next, start changing the words in the email. Keep the message simple. You can say something like, "Good news, your order is on the way." Then add a short line telling them to use the tracking link to follow their package. Do not make the email too long. Customers usually want the main information quickly. Make sure the message sounds friendly, clear, and easy to understand. Lastly, send a test email to yourself. Before saving everything and moving on, send a test email to yourself. Open it on your phone and your computer. Check if the message is easy to read, the store name looks right, and the tracking link is easy to find. If anything looks confusing, go back and make it simpler. A good email should tell the customer what happened and what they should do next. That's how you customize shipping confirmation and delivery update emails. The main goal is to make the emails clear, useful, and easy for customers to understand. Customers should be able to quickly see that their order has shipped, check the tracking link, and know what to do if they need help. You do not need to make the emails complicated. A short thank you message, clear tracking details, and simple support information can make the email feel much better. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.